Good morning, how are you? Today is Monday, 12th of October. Please guys, open your Pupils Book page 14. Today inshallah we're going to start with extent. We have opposites. Now, what's the meaning of opposites? Opposites, when we say, for example, big, small. When we say fat, thin. When we say happy or sad. So we call these pairs of words opposites. Okay? So the question says that find highlighted words in the text on page 12 that mean the opposite of these words. So we have, as you know, highlighted words in the text. Now we have here the opposite meaning of them. Look at the first one. We have here safe. So safe is the opposite of dangerous. Safe, it is the opposite of danger. Now look at number 2. We have the word unusual. What's the meaning of unusual? Unusual means something not normal. Something doesn't happen regularly. So it is unusual. So we have the opposite word in the text, which is typical. So typical, it is the opposite of unusual. Again, typical, it is the opposite of unusual. Now look at the third one. We have the word attack. Attack, when you, for example, hit someone with a stick, you attack that person. So we have the opposite word in the text, which is defend. Defend, when you keep yourself safe. And the opposite of it, attack, when you hit someone. Defend, when you keep yourself safe. Now look at number 4. It is easy. Easy, when you can do something. You say, it is easy, I can do it. But we have the opposite word in the text, which means hard. Hard means it is difficult, you can't do it. So hard, it is the opposite of easy. And the last word, which is activity. Activity, when you do something, when you do actions, we call this activity. The opposite of activity, rest. Rest means when you don't do anything. This is rest. But if you do something, it is activity. If you don't do anything, it is rest. So these are the opposites. You have to copy them in your pupils book. Now, look at exercise number 2. Parts of speech. Parts of speech means noun, verb, adjective, adverbs. We call these parts of speech. They أقسام الكلام in Arabic. Okay, the question says that find these highlighted words in the text on page 12. Are they used as verbs, adjectives, or nouns? Write the words in the correct box. So we have these words. These words are highlighted in the text. So we have to fill them in the correct box. So we have verbs, we have adjectives, we have noun. The question did the word jump. Jump, as you know, it is verb. Jump, it is action. So it is a verb. Jump. Now look at the word dangerous. Dangerous, as you see here, it ends with a OUS. And we know the OUS means it is adjective. So we have to put it with the adjectives box. So dangerous is adjective. Dangerous is adjective. Now look at the second word, which is a practice. A practice, when you keep it training. So you do an action. So it is a verb. So a practice is verb. Practice. Okay. Now we have the word rest. Rest, when you don't do anything. So it is a noun. So rest is a noun. Now look at train. A train, when you practice, or a train, or doing something repeatedly, so it is a verb. So train is a verb. Now look at hard. Hard, when I say something, this is hard, that I describe this word with hardness. So it is adjective. Hard is adjective. Now the last one, which is a break, So it is noun. Break is a noun. Okay guys, now you have to copy the words in exercise 1 and exercise 2 in your notebook, in your pupils book, and send me your answers. Thank you for your listening and have a nice day.